The 2003 KTM 525 MXC is a trailblazer extraordinaire. It isn't just a dirt bike, it's a trail whisperer. With a gutsy 510cc engine, it doesn't just conquer terrain, it writes its own off-road adventure story. It's not your typical ride, it's a two-wheeled saga waiting to unfold. But it doesn't stop with the engine. Its suspension is amazing. This beast doesn't just handle bumps, it waltzes over them. The 2003 525 MXC suspension system is like a spa day for your ride. It cushions the rough patches, making every ride smoother than a cup of your grandma's hot cocoa. It's not just a bike, it's your personal off-road masseuse. Before I go on to talk about the refined starting of the 525, I want to share a quick word from our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory. But back to talking about the refined starting, the 525 MXC, it's not just a roar when it starts up, it is a symphony. The 2003 model isn't just about power, it's about refined aggression. It's like the James Bond of dirt bikes, powerful, suave, and always ready for a thrilling chase through the backcountry. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.